Hello, my name is Alonso, and this video is going to talk about of the phase 4 and my project that is with the company of Macon and Acabados. Macon y Acabados is a Mexican company located in Mazatlan with more than 15 years of experience in the construction material sectors. My project objective is going to be the select porcelain flooring as a key product for Macon y Acabados' international expansion and evaluate its export viability to the USA market through a strategy analysis of cost, logistics, risk, and cultural adaptability in order to establish a profitable and sustainable operation. Market analysis. After comparing three countries, I select USA. This because the size, proximity, and the trade benefits of the USMCA. And this election was exclusive for Texas, Arizona, and furthermore, the elimination of tariffs thanks to the USMCA and our cultural affinity with Mexican products give us a clear competitive advantage. Supplier evaluation production is about 4 containers per quarter. The certification of quality is ISO 10545, and as I mentioned, it has 15 years of experience in logistics and international trade. The import strategy. To enter the market, I select the direct export model with local distributors. The product will be transported by sea from Mazatlan to the port of Houston, and from there by land to distribution centers in the southern USA. Cost and logistic. The total estimated shipping cost for a container with 1555 square meters of floor space is 50k 50 516, including insurance and freight in the port of Houston. The cost per square meter will be $10, while the suggested retail price to the distributor is $13. The risk that I find for logistical delay, well, well, some realistic scenario delay of vessels at USA customs due to inspection or port congestion from the type regularity policy change in USMCA, increasing technical requirements for import tiles for type economical or financial, dollars or Mexican pesos, exchange rate fluctuation negatively affecting an operational cost. For operational internal machinery breakdown or delays in raw material supply. In the type commercial, decreased demand for for-sale tiles to due in the USA. And reputational contains about damaged products during transport due to inefficient package. Some actions that I put to prevent them in the logistics, high experience logistic companies in the regularity risk, maintain relationship with the trade consultants and COMSE. For financial risk, use currency hedging instruments. In the commercial risk, run digital marketing campaigns target the Hispanic market in the USA. And for operational risk, perform quarterly preventive maintenance or on a critical machinery. For the final of this project, I'm going to talk about the political factors. Uh, USMCA agreement, customs and regulatory oversight, trade policy shift, state level legal difference, and labor and immigration laws. And for the cultural factors, it will be ethnic diversity and Hispanic market, customer expectations, communication style, design, preference, brand trust, and transparency. To conclude, this project has been a valuable learning experience that strengthened both my academic and professional skills. It provides a deeper understanding of international business from market research and product selection to cost analysis, logistic, regularity, compliance, and risk assessment using tools like FMAE. I now feel more competent to develop real-world export strategies thanks to the confidence and structured thinking I gained through my process. Thank you.